This Century 21 Fountain Realty LLC property video is presented by Luann Brennan. Like new home situated on a quiet, private street. Beautifully landscaped, this home features a cute covered front porch, lovely great room with a nat gas fireplace in the living area. The popular open floor plan allows for great entertaining. The kitchen has beautiful granite countertops, center island and under cabinet lighting. Bedrooms are split for privacy. Relax in your cozy sunroom or out on the semi-covered back deck. There is a 10 by 10 slab in the crawl space where you could possibly set up a little workshop. No need to wait for a new build, just come and view this home, which is only 2 years old. It's calling your name. For more information, review the details below or contact Luann Brennan at 931